We will start the class already. Everybody, I want you to put yourself on mute and raise your hand if you have a question. Yes, Silma and Mehek. You have a question? You have a question? Not please mute yourself.
दीदी कैमरा अटक रहा है, कैमरा अटक रहा है.
Please करके join करो.
ओके दीदी.
Bye. All right. We'll start the class. All right. Yeah. Okay. Chalo. Now today, first of all, the norms of our classroom. What are the norms of our classroom? Yeah, we are going to keep our videos on. We are going to keep our audios off. We are going to chat whenever Didi is asking you to. Bin baat ke chat we are not going to do. We are not going to chat with our friends on this call because I don't know if you know this, but when Didi is done with the call, Didi can see all the chats, even the ones that you're chatting with your friends. Okay? So make sure you're not chatting with your friends. Please raise your hand if you have any question or any doubt. All right? Give me a thumbs up whenever you've been asked to give a thumbs up, and you can clap by celebrating if you like someone's answer or you think someone said a. Right? Please mute yourself, Ilma and Mike, and stop eating. Last warning to both of you. Okay? All right. We will start with the class now. All right. Be ready with your book and pen. Okay? All right. Now, how many of you did the pre-work? Give me a thumbs up if you did the pre-work. I know only Shifa. I only know that Shifa, Faizan, Krishna were able to do the homework and send it to Didi. What about the rest of you? Why were you not able to send Didi your pre-work? Guys, pre-work is a very important aspect of teaching, okay, learning. अगर आप pre-work ही नहीं करोगे तो आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा कि क्लास में क्या सिखा रहे हैं. So it's very important for you to do the pre-work.
Also, just 1 minute. Who has joined us? Why so serious?
हटा दो, लीव करो. मैं थोड़ी देर बात करता हूँ.
It's so serious. I don't.
Guys, please write your real name. Otherwise, I will not be able to give you attendance. Okay? Please write your real name.
I think somebody is not on mute. Sabba, can you please put yourself on mute? All right, Amity, we'll start. Okay. So first of all, you're going to write down in your notebook, when was the last time you felt jealous? Okay. First of all, does anybody want to tell me what the word jealous means? What kind of emotion it is? Can anybody give me an example?
किसी से जलना.
किसी से जलना. All right, amazing. Okay. So now you're going to write down, okay, when was the last time you felt jealous and why? Okay, why did you feel jealous? You're going to write it down. Write today's date. Take 1 minute to quickly write down when was the last time you felt jealous and why. Okay, your time starts now.
दीदी,
Yes.
कभी जल नहीं हुए तो?
तो लिख दो, I've never felt jealous.
Okay.
All right. Okay.
दीदी ये लिखे हुआ है, ये भी लिखने का है?
Yes, Illu. This is the question. Question भी लिखना है.
Okay, okay.
Gullu, next time you want to ask me a question, you're going to raise your hand, then Didi will ask you, then only you have to unmute yourself. Okay, Baba? Thank you. Okay, Nehal is done. Amazing, Nehal. If you're done, give me a thumbs up. Hi, Zoya. It's nice to see you. Once you're done writing the answer, amazing. Mehek is done. Okay, Faizan is done too. Shifa is done. Hello, Adit. Can you please mute yourself, Adit? Adit, can you please mute yourself? Thank you. Jamal is done. I'm waiting for a few more thumbs up. I can see Shavita is writing. Illu, are you done, Baba? Amazing. Illu is done. Nehal is thinking. Nashin, are you done writing? Done? Give me a thumbs up then, Baba. Zara is done. Maruf is done. Zoya is done. All right. Sabha is done too. Amazing, guys. Giving you more 20 seconds to quickly finish writing for those of you who haven't, and then we will share it in the large group. Okay, Samir is done too. Guys, I'm going to ask anybody to share, and you have to share. Okay. Hi, Tanya. Nice to see you. I hope you're not talking to your friends while you're in the class. Okay, amazing. I want Samir to tell me when was the last time he felt jealous and why. Samir, can you please unmute yourself and share? Yes, Samir. Can you guys hear me?
Yes, we can.
Yeah, okay. Anybody else who wants to go? Till then, Samir, I'm waiting for you to either share it on the chat box or unmute yourself and share, okay? Yes, we are going to come to Gulu. Gulu, yes, unmute yourself and share.
Didi, I am not jealous anywhere.
Okay, amazing. Thank you so much for sharing. Samir has said that he never felt jealous. Okay. Anybody else who wants to share? Vivek is saying me
Didi,
too.
I cannot. And मतलब दीदी मेरे को जॉय लोड कभी फील नहीं हुआ है.
Jealous kabhi feel nahi hua. All right, Joseph. The next time you want to share, Baba, you have to unmute. You have to raise your hand. Didi will give you the chance to answer, and then you can answer. Okay.
Okay.
Amazing. Thank you. Habib is saying, I don't feel jealous anyone. I don't remember. And who's null? There's someone who does not have his or her name saved. I will come to Nosheen and Maruf in a second. Okay. All right.
That's
Yeah.
Illu and Mehak only. There's nobody else.
Okay. They have not saved their names. Okay. Nosheen, can you please unmute yourself and share?
Didi, I did not feel jealous anywhere.
Okay. Guys, anybody who has a different answer from this that they have never felt jealous, please share. Okay?
Didi.
Yeah. Who's this? Yes. Go ahead. Go ahead, Ilma. Go ahead.
I felt jealous when I can't make cardboard house and my friend can make cardboard house is very beautiful, so I feel very jealous.
I'm so happy that you shared this, Ilma. I really like how honest you are. Okay. Good job. I'm really, really proud. Oh my God. Good job. All right. Okay. So she said how when her friends can make the cardboard house, she feels jealous. All right. Misbah said that when I was at Bounce, Misbah, do you want to come off mute and share? And then I will come to Maruf. Yeah. Yes, Misbah.
I felt jealous with colors because I think that I thought that the bounce where we are jumping, so that that was my small, and the falaks were like slides. So I felt jealous that why don't I go there?
Amazing. Thank you so much for being so brave and sharing your honest reply. Really proud of you, Misbah. All right. Anybody else who wants to share? I'm going to go to Maruf and then I'm going to come to Sabita. Yes, Maruf. Please
Miss,
unmute yourself.
I am feel jealous. Last time I have not bet. My friend have bet, and he not give me to bet.
All right. Amazing. Thank you so much for sharing, Maruf. So brave of you. Yeah. Really appreciate it. Okay. Amazing. I'm going to come to Shabista. Go ahead, Shabista. Unmute yourself and share.
Didi, I feel jealous last time that my mom makes shirkurma for my brother, and I feel very jealous.
Yeah, thank you so much for being honest and brave, and thank you for sharing. Amazing, thank you. Okay, Jamal has also shared. My friend got 1300 likes and I got only 1000 likes on the game. That's why I felt jealous. Thank you so much, Jamal, for being honest. Okay, really appreciate it. Iram is writing, I felt jealous when I saw someone reading a story faster than me. Good job, Iram. Thank you so much for sharing your honest reply. Okay, Faizan is saying, I felt jealous when I asked for money to my father. He asked, what do you want to buy? But when my small brother asked for money, my father gave him. Thank you so much, Faizan, for being honest and brave and sharing these experiences. All of you guys, okay? Good job. So I can see a lot of you have honestly shared what you felt. Samya, Didi, do you want to come off mute and share when was the last time you felt jealous and why? Samya?
Yes, I'm here.
Yeah.
Oh.
Go ahead, Samya.
What did you want me? I couldn't hear you for a while. What did you?
Okay,
what
so
do you
I
want
was
me to do?
saying, can you share with everybody when was the last time you felt jealous and why?
Okay, I'm so sorry. I couldn't hear you for a while. When was the last time? Can I take 2 minutes to think and come back?
Yes. Okay.
Alright.
Till then, Arzu Didi can share when was the last time when she felt jealous. Okay. So, all right. So there is Didi's one of the Didi's best friend. Okay, and she and I both decided to run together every morning. Didi couldn't get up in the morning and couldn't start running. Okay, but she started running and now she has gained a lot of pace and she really knows how to run properly. And I don't know, so I'm really jealous of her because I want to run as fast as her, but at this point I'm not even practicing. But I'm so jealous of her. But yeah, I'm going to try and start running with her. Yeah, so that's the first time that I, not first time, first that's one of the times when I felt very jealous. Yes, Soumya Didi, can you please share and please open your mic and share, okay? Because that's Iram's request. Yes, go ahead.
Yes. That's why I turned on my video. I think the last time I felt jealous was um all of some of my cousins, they live in small towns, right, where they can go out and go to nearby village and just travel and just have a good time. I just felt very jealous of them because I can't go out anywhere because I'm living in a city, whereas it's not that bad there, so they can just travel here and there. So that was the last time I felt jealous.
Amazing. Thank you so much for sharing. Okay, guys, so Didi shared, all of us shared. Now tell me how many of you think it's normal to feel jealous? If you do, give me a thumbs up. Or type a yes in the chat box so that I know that you think that it is normal to feel jealous. Okay, so Huzef is saying it's normal to feel jealous. Krishna, Shifa, Iram think the same. Misbah thinks the same. Zara also thinks the same. Maruf also thinks the same. Habib also thinks that it is okay to feel jealous. It is normal. Ilma and Mehak think that yes, it's normal. Iram also thinks that it is normal. Couple of more responses. Gulnar thinks it's normal. So does Misbah. Nausheen also thinks it's normal. Amazing. Priya also thinks it's normal to feel jealous. Samir also feels it. Okay. Guys, know that it is very, very normal to feel jealous. It is one of the emotions. Okay. But how can you not feel jealous, or how, when you feel jealous, what are some of the things that you can do? If you have seen the video, in the video, there are 3 things that you can do when you feel jealous. Can somebody tell me what are those 3 things? What are those 3 things that you can do when you are feeling jealous? If you've seen the video, you will know. Anybody who wants to answer? Faizan, go ahead. Unmute yourself and tell. Faizan is saying first is be happy with what you have. Okay. Very good, Ilma and Mehek. It's normal to feel jealous because it is an emotion. What else? Whenever
I can join the activity and have fun. I can praise those who are doing well.
Amazing. You can join the activity. If somebody is doing something nice, you can join it rather than feeling jealous about it. Okay. You can praise them and feel nice. Oh my God, you've done such a good job. And that will make you feel better. Okay. So these are some of the things. You can either join the activity, whatever they're doing. If they're scoring the best marks, try to score it with
Jamal
them.
says it's not normal.
Jamal is saying it's not normal. Do that thing only is making you jealous. Okay. I don't think that's correct, Jamal. I think you should try and make sure that you participate with them. And if you get better too, that won't no longer make you feel jealous. Try this one thing, see if it works for you. I'm sure there are different things to deal with it. Okay. These are some of the things that you can do. Okay. All right, we will quickly move on. Okay, today's objective is everybody you're going to repeat after Didi. We will be able to use, this is the last day for this objective, okay? We will be able to use our prior knowledge. I want everybody to repeat after Didi. Priya, can you please mute yourself? We will be able to use our prior knowledge and experience.
Prior knowledge and experience.
Maharu, very good. To describe author's point of view.
To describe author's point of view.
To describe author point of view.
Amazing. Guys, you're not going to unmute yourself. You're going to mute yourself and you're going to repeat after me. Okay? All right. Amazing. So, what is author's point of view? 2 things that come in author's point of view. We have done this before. You should know the answer to this. 2 things that, yes, Tanya, can you please unmute yourself?
मैं तो पढ़ रही हूँ ना ऐसा करती है
One second,
ये तो चाहती हूँ
Palak, can you please mute yourself? Thank you. Yes, go ahead.
What is
Go ahead.
author feeling and what is author thinking?
Whatever author is feeling and whatever author is thinking. Okay, these are the 2 ways in which you can know what is the author's point of view. Guys, some of you are going on mute in the middle of the class. Please make sure you don't go on mute unless you raise your hand. Okay. Okay. So good job. Author का point of view कैसे पता चलेगा? When you know whatever author is thinking and whatever author is feeling. Amazing. Take 2 minutes, quickly write down today's date, day, and this objective in your notebook. And once you're done, give me a thumbs up. Amazing. Good job, Sabah, Idam, for answering. I can see Shabita started writing, Zara, Gullu are writing, Sahil Yaqub is writing.
हेलो टीचर
Yes.
क्या लिखना है
Arbaz, can you see the screen? Can you see the objective that is written on the screen?
Yes.
You have to copy that in your notebook and to write today's date and date. Okay. All right. If you're done, give me a thumbs up. Okay, Shifa is done. Gulu is done. Krishna is done. Mehak and Ilma are done. Vivek is done. Jamal is done. Amazing. Huzef, you're raising your hand. Do you want to say something?
यस दीदी
Yes, go ahead. Huzef.
दीदी आपने ये कल लिखा है
कल तो साइंस क्लास था ना?
हाँ दीदी लिखा है आपने तो
पहले लिखाया है.
हाँ.
The objective is same, but what we are going to do, the story is going to be different. This is the last day for this objective. Okay, then we will quickly move on to our next objective. We are mastering, no? So we do it 2-3 times.
Yes, okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you. All right. Shifa, Huzef, Samir are done. A lot of you are done. So we'll quickly move on. Maruf is also done. Amazing. So this is author's point of view, right? For those of you who have not written this before, quickly write this down. I'm going to give you 1 minute to write this down in your notebook. For those of you who have not written. Okay, we have done this before. Done? Okay. Amazing. All right, I think most of you know this, so we are going to move on to the next one. Okay. What we are going to do, we are going to read the story. We are going to, yes.
दीदी वो पहले लिखा है आपने ये वाला
Yes, Gullu.
तो वापिस लिखने का है
नहीं. आपने पहले लिख लिया है?
Yes.
Yes. So you don't have to write.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Okay. So now 2 things that we are going to identify in the story. Can you tell me what is the first one? What's the first thing that you need to identify in the story? Yes, Shifa, please unmute yourself and answer.
Identify what author must be thinking.
Amazing. Good job. Yes. Second, Maruf, can you please tell me? Yes, Maruf. First is what author must be thinking. The second one is Maruf, do you want me to come back to you again? You want some time to think? Yeah? Are you saying something? Because I can't hear you. मारूफ आपका माइक वापस से डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया है. आप कनेक्ट करने की ट्राई करो वापस and I'll come back to you. Zara, can you please unmute yourself?
खाना खा रहा है.
क्या?
झूठ बोल के मस्ती कर रहा है.
Hello.
Maruf, I can hear you. Maruf, I can hear you. Wait. Vivek and Fardeen, I want you to keep your cameras on so that I can see you, okay? All right. Zara, can you go ahead and read the second?
What are author feelings?
Yes, whatever the author is. Yes, got it. Thank you so much, Maru. You're going to take Didi's permission and then answer, okay, Maru? All right, guys. Sorry, Zara, I'll give you another chance, okay? Let's move on. So 2 things that you're going to identify in the story. The first one is what is the author thinking, and the second is what is the author feeling. And at times we'll also explore how would you feel if you were in author's place. Okay. All right. So we will start our story. Quickly write down the title of the story. It is Jealous and No, Gullu. You're going to wait for Didi to give you a chance to answer. Okay?
Jealous and Nancy.
Yes, Gullu. Tell me. Let's quickly write down the title of the story. Miss Ba, we just need to write Write down the title of the story quickly.
Done.
If you're done, give me a thumb. Ullu, do you have a doubt? Unknown user. Who's unknown user?
Let me see, huh?
That
Mehak
person
Khan.
Mehak, please keep yourself on mute, okay? Arbaz, please keep yourself on mute. Okay, we will move on, okay? Yes, amazing. Everybody has given a thumbs up, so we'll quickly move on. What happened? Oh no, something happened. I hope you guys can see this because I'll try to reload. Give me a second. Someone is not on mute. Arbaz, can you please put yourself on mute? Okay, can you see the screen? If yes, give me a thumbs up. Amazing. Gullu can see the screen. Iram, Afreen. Okay. I can see someone has. Okay. Afreen, we'll start off with you. Can you start reading in loud teacher voice? The first slide. Yes.
Soumya Didi, Arzu Didi.
Mm-hmm.
Didi, I cannot see a screen. Miss.
Yes, Baba, it's still loading. It's still loading, guys.
Still loading, guys. You need to wait. Huh, thoda.
Okay.
Can you see now?
Yes, Didi.
Amazing. Oh, again it went for loading.
Yes, Didi.
Can you? Amazing.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much, Nosheen. Yes, Afreen, can you start reading loud teacher voice?
Anansi and Rabbit were friends. Anansi was jealous of Rabbit's will.
Yes. Okay. Two big words that I can see, jealous and wealth. What does the word jealous mean? You have to write it down, quickly type it down in the chat box and tell me what does the word jealous mean. You have to guess the... Alright. Faizan. Guys, you're going to type it in private chat. You're not going to send it to everybody. You're going to privately send it to Arzu Didi. Okay? Amazing. Jalna. Okay, perfect. What does the word wealth mean? W-E-A-L-T-H. What does the word wealth mean? Quickly type it down in the chat box. Thank you so much, Jamal. What does the word wealth mean? Wealth. Anansi was jealous of Rabbit's wealth. What does the word wealth mean?
Health meaning wealth.
Not health, wealth. Thank you so much, Faizan, Jamal.
Wealth, W-E-A-L-T-H.
Ilma and Mehak, you'll keep yourself on mute, okay? Yeah, all right. Okay, so wealth means when someone has a lot of money and property, that is known as wealth. Okay, quickly write down in your notebook. Wealth means a lot of money and property. Didi is also going to type that in the chat box. Okay. Okay, once you're done writing, give me a thumbs up. Faizan, wealthy, that is wealthy. A person who has a lot of money, property, that is wealthy. Wealth means a lot of money and property. Okay. Amazing. All right. So we will move on. Okay. So Anansi and Rabbit were friends. Anansi was jealous of Rabbit's wealth. Okay. Can you tell me how is Anansi feeling? Or what is Anansi feeling? Anybody wants to unmute and share what is Anansi feeling? Yes, Shabista, can you please unmute yourself? Avoid using the word jealous, okay?
Hello. Anansi is feeling
Yes, Faizan and
jealous.
Jamal, avoid using the word jealous. What is Anansi feeling?
Anansi is feeling jealous.
Shabista, we can't hear you, Baba.
Hello.
What is Anansi feeling? Upset? Shifa is writing upset. Yes, Tanya, go
Sad.
ahead, unmute yourself and answer.
Sad. Anansi feeling
Mom
jealous
is saying
because
greedy. Amazing. Is it me
Ananti is
or you
feeling.
guys can't hear Tanya?
Ananti, Miss. Ananti is
Yes, Nehal,
feeling.
go ahead, unmute yourself and answer.
Miss. Ananti. नहीं तो बोलेगा.
Soumya, can you hear me? And can you hear Nehal and Tanya?
Guys, a lot of you are speaking at the same time. I want everyone to mute themselves. Sania, Habib, Nihal,
Hello?
everyone mute themselves. Yes, Arzu, I can
Hello?
hear you. Can you
Hello?
hear me?
Guys, can you give me a thumbs up if you can hear Didi?
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay. Amazing. So you guys can hear me, right? Okay.
Can you
All
hear
right. So
us,
it's
Arzu?
probably with Nehal and Sania's phone. Okay, amazing.
Arzu,
Habib,
can
do
you
you
hear
want
me?
to answer what Anansi must be feeling?
Didi, I can answer.
Yes, not. Yes, Habib.
Miss,
Go ahead.
unmute.
Unmute yourself.
Miss. Ananti is feeling very hungry because she is.
Guys, can you hear Habib?
Miss.
Yes, Didi, we can hear.
Guys, can you hear Habib? This one. Yeah.
Miss Ananti is feeling very hungry because she see the vegetables and fruits.
Yeah, and Anansi
Didi,
wants all of that. Yeah. Okay,
I
Nausheen,
can answer.
yes,
Didi,
please go ahead.
Anansi was jealous.
Except for the word jealous, if you had to use anything, what do you think Anansi was feeling?
Ananti is feeling very
Hungry, Didi. Hungry.
Hungry, except for... Guys, you have to raise your hand, wait for Didi to give you a chance, okay? I know you want to answer, but raise your hand, okay? Yes. Yes. I'm going to ask Nehal to give it a try. Thank you so much, Nausheen, for sharing. Yes, Nehal, go ahead.
Didi, he must be feel greedy.
Must be feeling greedy. Amazing. mean, and all of that. Correct. Okay. All of you are correct. Okay, now tell me who are the two main characters in this story? Two main characters in this story. Oh wow, lot of you have raised your hand. Can you privately give answer to Didi? Two main characters. Very good, Misbah. That's a very good word. Resentful is a very good word. Okay. All right. I want Sabah to unmute herself and answer who are the two main characters. Good job, Tanya. I can see your answer already. Okay.
Anansi and Rabbit.
Anansi and Rabbit. Amazing. Who is Anansi in the picture? How does Anansi look like?
In black color, spider.
Yes.
Spider.
Spider. Okay, very good. Thank you so much for answering me. Palav, Nausin, Sriram, Zoya. Good job, guys. All of you, those who are answering in the chat box, amazing. All right. Can you mute yourself, Sabah? Amazing. All right. Hello, Talib. Okay. So now let's move on to the next part of the story. Who wants to read in loud teacher voice? Please raise your hand and Didi will come to you. I want Zoya. Can you please unmute yourself and start reading? Loud teacher voice. Sheikh Zoya, can you start reading?
Anansi took over rabbit farm. He chased away rabbit.
Okay. Anansi took over rabbit farm. He chased away rabbit. What is the setting of the story? Fardeen, I'm going to ask you to unmute yourself and answer. And the rest of you, you can privately text Didi what is the setting of the story. What is the setting of the story? Fardeen, unmute yourself and answer. Jamal, that's not the correct answer. Good job, Shabisa.
Miss, the setting is the rabbit always give the spider food. One day the spider chased the rabbit away.
Yes. Chase the rabbit away, but what is the setting? Where is the story taking place?
The story taking place in farm.
Good job. Okay, next time be more careful of what Didi is asking. Okay. All right, for those of you who typed on the chat box, Nehal, Falak, Tanya, Sabah, Zoya, Iram, Shabista, Habib, good job. Jamal, your
दीदी
answer is-
आवाज नहीं आ रही आपकी
अभी आ रही है?
दीदी आवाज नहीं आ रही I cannot hear you.
Samya, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Gulu, try to leave the call and join again, Baba.
Galu, you might have to leave and join in again, okay? आपके phone में कुछ problem है, leave and join again, okay? All right. Good job, guys. Okay, what is the word? What does this mean? He chased away rabbit. इसका मतलब क्या होगा? What is the meaning of this sentence? He chased away the rabbit. He chased away the rabbit. Anansi took over rabbit farm. He chased away the rabbit.
रैबिट को भगा दिया.
Who said this? Arbaz, you have to raise your hand. I will give you a chance. That is the correct answer. Okay. उसने rabbit को भगा दिया. All right. उसने पहले उसका farm ले लिया and then he chased him away. मतलब उसको भगा देना. All right. Yes. All right. Okay. Now tell me how the rabbit must be feeling. Please type it down in the chat box. I will ask one of you to unmute. Yes, I'm going to ask Maruf. Can you please unmute yourself and answer?
क्या तुम इस क्वेश्चन?
How did the rabbit feel when Anansi chased him away?
Angry and sad.
Angry,
Angry
and
and
sad.
when.
Can you use a different word except for sad? Angry and angry is correct. What else could he be feeling? Think, okay, Maruf, I'll come back to you. Okay. All right. A lot of you have written miserable, shocked, angry, upset, alone. Okay. All right. Yes, Adit, you can't leave the classroom, Adit. You need to be in the class, okay? All right. So he chased him away and he felt angry, sorrowful, upset, lonely, etc., etc. Like you guys said. Okay. Anybody? Habib, I want you to unmute yourself and read this out. Read this aloud in loud teacher voice. Unexpected, Iram is saying. Okay, yeah, correct.
Anansa sold and all the crops. He got a lots of money.
Yes. Anansi sold
Anansi sold all the crops. He got a lots of money.
Good job, Habib. Really liked how you read. Okay. Okay, amazing. So Anansi sold all the crops. He got a lot of money. Now tell me at this point, what is Anansi feeling?
Miss Anansi is feeling very happy and it
Yeah.
and it and shopper and
Okay.
he's feeling very amirful.
Angry, full.
Amir full.
Amir. Okay, so he's feeling very rich.
Rich.
Okay.
Yes.
The word is good job, Habib. Right. So a lot of you are saying that Anansi is feeling excited, jealous, wealthy, rich, joyful. Anansi is feeling glad.
Lychee.
Lalchi, greedy. Good job. Okay, he's feeling very greedy. मतलब lalchi. I'm going to quickly write down this word greedy. Okay, उसका मतलब होता है lalchi. Yes, Anansi is feeling very greedy. Okay, and that's why and that's why he's selling all the crops. Okay, all right. I've typed down the word greedy also for you guys in case you want to know what it looks like. Okay. Chavista is saying Anansi is feeling in joy and greedy and rich and wealthy. Yes, correct. Okay, all of those things are correct. Anansi went home. Sorry, I started reading it. I want someone else to read it in loud teacher voice. Who wants to read? Zara, can you unmute yourself and start reading? Yeah, guys, there are a lot of slides. Don't worry, everybody will get a chance to read. Okay, Zara, do you want to quickly unmute yourself and start reading? No, Jamal, you don't have to write it down. Yes, Zara, go ahead.
Anansi went home carrying his basket on his head.
Yes, Anansi went home carrying his basket on his head. Okay. Very simple. What do you think Anansi is thinking here? When he's carrying the basket on his head, what is he thinking? Guys, a lot of you have to look at the picture very carefully to know what Anansi is thinking. Joseph, do you want to unmute yourself and answer?
Didi, he's dream that I want to become very rich man and I have a car and I have a bungalow.
Yes, a big house.
And very gold.
Yes,
So
a lot. Amazing, good job, Joseph. Correct, bang on. Okay, he wants to become a big man. He wants to be very rich. He wants to have a big house, a big car, a lot of gold. Okay. All right, Nausheen. I'll talk to her after the class. Okay. Yes. That's his dream. Good job, Habib. That's right. Okay. Good job, Faizan. Good job, Shifa. Savita, Sabah. Good job. You guys are right. Okay. All right. Let's move on to the next one. Who wants to read this out loud? Teacher voice. I want Mehek to read. Mehek Ansari, please unmute yourself.
Didi, I can. Anansi put the basket down. He went to shelter from the rain.
What is happening here? All of a sudden, what happened here? Ilma, what happened all of a sudden?
दीदी जब एनएनसी जाता रहता होता है ना तो ना वहाँ पर ना रेन शुरू हो जाती है तो वो भाग के ना एक ट्री के नीचे आ जाता है.
English. Now, say the same thing in English.
Didi, when NNC take basket and start going, the rain comes suddenly and NNC run fast and go to tree shade, under the tree shade.
Very good. Good job. Appreciate it when you say that in English. Okay. Very nice. All right. So yes, he goes there for shelter. Okay. Next. I want Talib to unmute himself and start reading this in loud teacher voice.
The rain caused flooding, so Anansi hid in a hole.
Very good. So what happened here, Talib? Do you want to explain it to your friends?
Yes.
Yes.
Anansi रहता है ना.
English, Talib. Try and speak in English.
Anansi float in a hole.
Yes. What starts happening when it is raining? What does the rain cause? There is a word. What is that word?
The rain caused flooding.
What is flooding? Very good. What is flooding?
Hide in a hole.
Yes, that's correct. What is flooding? What does flooding mean? A lot of you are answering on the chat box. Amazing, Misbah, Faizan, Sabah, Jamal. Personally send it to Didi. Send it to me in private. Flooding का मतलब
वाटर को बोलते हैं.
Yes, जब भी बहुत ज़्यादा पानी भर जाता है उसको flooding बोलते हैं. Good job. Thank you so much, Talib. Well done. Okay, so when it started raining, the area started flooding. Flooding मतलब जब भी हमारे घर के आसपास पानी हो जाता है, flooding या कहीं पे भी पानी ज़्यादा भर जाता है. All right. So Anansi hid in a hole. Okay, next. I want Miss Ba to read. Afrin, you've already read now, Baba. The first one you only read. Yes, Miss.
I want to read.
Vulture saw the basket and covered it with wings.
Vulture saw the basket and covered it with his wings. Who is the vulture now?
Bird.
Bird. Okay. What did he do?
He covered the basket with his feathers.
Yes. All right. Amazing. He covered the basket with his feathers. Sabah is saying vulture is an owl. Is it an owl? No. It's a big bird. Okay. Vultures are a type of bird that feed. Yes. Anybody knows what a vulture is? Arbaz, go ahead.
Miss Chill.
Yes, बड़ा सा चील को vulture बोलते हैं. Okay, it is bigger than eagle also, but it looks very similar to an eagle. Jamal, we are talking in very simple English. I don't think this is a very complicated language for you to understand. Okay. Next, who wants to read? Ilma, you can't leave the class.
Didi, I can't hear you.
I want Vivek to start reading.
The basket is mine, said the vulture. It is mine, shouted
Anansi.
Ananti.
Okay. So what's happening here, Fardeen?
Here, the basket is of spider and one bird came and vulture come and he saying that it's mine. So they are fighting.
So what are they doing? What is happening
They are
between
fighting
both of
that
them? They
This
are
is
fighting.
mine. This is mine.
Yes, what are they fighting for?
Yes.
What are they fighting
Voice problem.
Voice problem.
Didi, your voice is cracking.
Problem.
You voice is breaking.
देख सब बोलने लगे हैं।
Your voice is breaking.
Can you guys hear me?
Yes.
Amazing. Okay.
Yes, Didi.
Perfect.
Yes,
Sorry,
Didi.
guys.
Yes, Miss. Yes, Didi.
Okay, amazing. Can you all mute yourself? I'm going to give you 10 seconds to quickly mute yourself. Everybody mute yourself. Thank you, everybody. Okay, amazing. Okay, so they were fighting. They were fighting for what? They were fighting for the basket. Okay, we'll quickly move on. Okay, I want. Let me see. Sahil Yaqub, can you start reading, please? Loud teacher voice. Sahil, can you guys hear me? Yes. Go ahead, Sahil.
Vulture said, I found money and said, and
Yeah. Read. Yes, Sahil, read. And made.
please.
Very good. Okay. Good job, Sahil. Vulture said, I found money and made unprotected. Okay. So what does this mean? What did the vulture found? What did the vulture find? Two things that vulture found in the basket. I want Iram to quickly unmute herself and answer. Yes, Iram.
What, Didi? Can you repeat the question? Your voice was cracking.
Two things that vulture found in the basket.
Maize and money.
What is maize?
Corn.
Corn. Okay, amazing. Yes, he found maize and money in the basket. All right. Next, I want Huzef to read. Yes, Huzef.
Final, they said, vulture is right. The basket is him.
Yes.
His-
Finally, they said vulture is right. The basket is his. At this point, how the vulture must be feeling? Sorry, how how the vulture must be feeling? All of them said the vulture is right. The basket is his. How the vulture must be feeling?
Didi Vulture is feeling excited.
He's feeling excited. Okay. He's feeling happy, lucky, rich. You guys are typing this. Okay. Excited, amazing. Vulture is feeling very happy, very loved because he got the basket. But how did Anansi feel? What
Shocked.
is, guys, shocked? Okay. Type it down in the chat box.
Didi,
Yeah. I'm going to ask.
excited.
Excited. Anansi, guys, Anansi. How is Anansi feeling? Sabah, Huzaif, Shabisa. Shabisa,
Didi
please answer.
shocked.
Okay, Gullu, you have to raise your hand, Baba.
Anansi is feeling very shocked
Yes, correct.
and cryful.
And cryful or sorrow. Okay, all right.
Disgusted.
What?
Disgusted.
Disgusted. Okay, he's feeling shocked. He's feeling upset. He's feeling like crying. Lot of things. Okay, but mostly he's very, very shocked that something like this happened. Now, the last one, I am going to ask Farzana. Can you read this one for me? Yes, Farzana.
Rabbit removed to the hymns and hate no monkey or friend.
This farm.
Thank you so much, Farzana. Vivek, you have. Okay. Rabbit returned to his farm. Anansi had no money or friends. Who returned to his farm? Rabbit. But Anansi had no money or friends. Guys, what do you think at this point the rabbit must be feeling? Good job, Jamal. Rabbit must be feeling. Iram, we are going to end in next 5 minutes, okay?
Rabbit is happy
Okay.
and
Why is he happy?
and my is scared.
Scared. Okay. Anansi is scared. Good job. Thank you so much, Vardhana, for answering the question. Okay. Lot of you said giggly and comical. What do you think Anansi is feeling? Quickly type it in the chat box. What do you think Anansi must be feeling? I will come to one of you. Yes, Nehal, can you please unmute yourself and say what do you think Anansi must be feeling?
Alone.
Alone. Why do you think he must be feeling alone? Wow, a lot of you are sending your answers in private. Faizan, Misbah, Sabah, Sania, Jamal, Iram. Good job, guys. Yes, I'm waiting for Shifa.
दीदी ये Anansi was so selfish.
Yes.
Didi, can I tell in Hindi?
Yes.
Okay. Try.
दीदी लाइक वो उसने रैबिट से उसका फार्म छीन ली, तो उसने जो भी पैसा वो कमाई थी तो इसने बर्ड ने इससे छीन लिया.
Correct. So what happened here? I'll ask someone else to answer. Okay. So what happened?
Can I answer?
Oh yeah. Go ahead and answer.
We should be happy with what
Go ahead, Faizan. Sorry. Yes.
we should be happy with what we have.
We should be happy with what we have. Okay. Lot of you have written, don't be greedy and jealous. Is that the moral? Do you think that is the moral of the story? Because we are all humans, we all get greedy and jealous. What should be the moral here? Yes.
What is क्या करने का है?
Moral, ये story में से आपको क्या सीखने मिला? That you have to find out. A lot of you are saying that don't be greedy and jealous.
Miss, like his dream is very, इसका ड्रीम अच्छा था, फिर भी इसका पूरा ड्रीम में पानी फिर गया.
क्यों?
क्योंकि मिस वो जो ना बारिश हो गई तो वो ना लालच की वजह से ना गड्ढे में गिर गई, क्योंकि आगे सामने एक बकेट भी थी. इसके लिए वो लालच के लिए आगे गई तो एक गड्ढा भी था, तो उसकी वजह से वो गिर गई. फिर उन लोग ये ईगल एंड स्पाइडर की लड़ाई हो गई. इसकी वजह से स्पाइडर का पूरा सब कुछ पे पानी फिर गया.
करेक्ट.
जिस बिग गाड़ी.
तो आपको क्या लगता है यहाँ पे मॉरल क्या है? आपको क्या सीखने मिला? What did you get from this story?
Don't take anyone thing.
I learned that not to be jealous.
Take to
Okay. All right, Fardeen.
get
Thank you.
you do.
Anyone jealous?
Many people talking at the same time. You're going to raise your hand. Didi will come to you. Yes, go ahead.
मिस, इससे सीख मिलती है कि जो तुम्हारे पे में खुश रहो.
Okay, be happy with.
और लालच मत करो.
Okay, amazing. All right, Didi is going to close this out.
लालच बुरी भला है.
All right. Next, I want you to unmute yourself. Didi asks you to unmute yourself.
बुरी भला है, लालच बुरी भला है.